Welcome to your channel. Something's new here. Celebrity info. Lin Yang versus YIN GUO. Name: he's Wulei and she's Zhao Jinmei. Other names: he's also known as leowu and she's also known as Angel Zhao. Date of birth: he was born on 26 December 1999 and she was born on 29 September 2002. Age: he's 24 years old and she's 20 years old. Birthplace: he was born in Shanghai and she was born in Shenyang. Profession: he's an actor and she's an actress. Years active: he's active from 2002 to present and she's active from 2010 to present. Nationality: both of them are Chinese. Agent: for him it's Wulei Studio and for her it's Dongdae Culture. Alma mater: for him it's Beijing Film Academy and for her it's Central Academy of Drama. Height: he's 182 centimeters tall and she's 165 centimeters tall. Weight: for him it's 60 kgs and for her it's 45 kgs. Ethnicity: both of them are Asian. Zodiac sign: for him it's Capricorn and for her it's Libra. Chinese zodiac: for him it's Rabbit and for her it's Horse. Current relationship: according to Google it's none for both of them. Marital status: both of them are unmarried. Net worth: for him it's $5 million and for her it's $3 million. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.